Hello, I'm Rich Longo, the director of the Duquesne University Palumbo Donahue School of Business, Small Business Development Center. Once again, I am both glad and proud to share with you highlights of the 2024 annual report. As has been the history of the SBDC, with over 45 years of assisting the small business communities in southwestern PA, our efforts to assist businesses to start, grow, and prosper continues to be a recognized and value-added resource to the region's small businesses ecosystem. This past year, efforts have resulted in 35 business starts, over $10 million in funding assistance, approximately 6,000 consultation hours with clients, approximately 100 educational and related value-added workshops, as well as 1,500 small businesses who attended these educational sessions and workshops. Over the last 5 years, efforts have resulted in 193 business starts, $72 million in funding assistance, 24,000 hours of business consultations, 375 educational programs, and 9,000 attendees to all of these programs. This past year, we extended our geographic outreach to include the Peters Township Chamber of Commerce and the Hill District CDC. Also, we broadened our outreach even more with relationships with the African American, Asian, Hispanic, and LGBTQ regional chambers of commerce. The Pro Bono Legal Services Program continues to thrive, with the SBDC adding Buchanan Ingersoll to a roster now consisting of the most prestigious law firms in southwestern Pennsylvania. This past year also saw the need for more education and consultation in the growth services area, realizing a small business must go through a systematic process in order to determine if ready for growth. The SBDC will be hosting the Pittsburgh Growth Conference in 2025, focusing on what small businesses must consider in order if they are truly ready for growth. The SBDC, largely through the efforts of an executive in residence, has been able to grow and enhance both its tax and accounting services to the small business community. The Media and Video Production Center continues to grow and prosper, with all SBDC clients receiving a fully resourced video package inclusive of voice, content, and video. Clients then can use this package in any way they desire. The Hire a Duke program, which is making School of Business undergraduate students and graduate students available to businesses for either paid employment or internship opportunities, assisted over 20 small businesses. With acquiring talent, when such is a challenge on the open market these days, the businesses not only obtain quality individuals, but have the chance to assess if these individuals might be feasible to employ on a more permanent basis. A win-win for both businesses and students. Business successes this past year include Budding Smiles of Beaver, a pediatric dentistry practice, which has incorporated child play and role-playing as a means to allay a child's fear of the dentist. Maple and Metal, a combination workshop, entertainment venue, and recreational area, opened and has already tripled its business from the original projections. As with the success of any business or related endeavor, such can only be attributed to the team who makes it all happen. I am often asked, what makes the Duquesne SBDC different than other SBDCs? The answer is simple, and one I could not be more prouder. All of the business consultants are second career professionals, either having had their own businesses from which they sold and/or C-suite executives who have retired, both of whom want to give back. Clients who come to the Duquesne SBDC are assured they will be working with business consultants who have been there and have done that, so to speak. On behalf of the entire staff here at the Duquesne SBDC, I want to thank you for your continued support and belief in what we do has and continues to significantly contribute to the economic development of small businesses here in southwestern PA. Thank you, and I wish you a prosperous and healthy 2025.